This is John McQuay with 8541 Tactical, and we're out here losing our light right now. We're going to do a little bit of night shooting here in a minute. And I wanted to shoot a quick video to talk about the setup that I've got going on this gun. So this is a SIG MCX hybrid. So we've got the MCX top end on a M16 lower end. And I mainly wanted to talk about what we have going on up here. So we have a D-Ball A3, and we've got a Surefire M600 dual fuel set up here, and we have both of them wired into the Unity Tactical sync taps, or tap sync, and this allows me to use both devices at the same time. So I've got one button up here that will light up both the laser and the weapon light, and then I've got a button back here that will light up just the laser. And then in front of it, I've got the Unity Tactical hot button, and the hot button is just a single lead, and it is run right into the master port on the A3. So the A3 gives me a little bit of an advantage of having two inputs on the module itself for remotes. So I have one hooked up to the visible override paired with the light, and then one hooked to the master paired to the hot button. That allows me to instantly go from infrared on the hot button to visible on the sync, and back and forth depending upon what the situation allows. So basically tonight is a trial to figure out how well this works and if I like this setup, because I figure from a law enforcement standpoint, you need to be able to go from night vision immediately to white light when the lights come on. So this should give me that capability, and we'll see how well it works. Okay, so we put some rounds down range, run on night vision, and flipping between IR and visible light. And with this setup, with the tap sync and the hot button, it is very, very easy to come up on IR and then just drop my thumb back to that pressure pad to activate visible laser and white light. And just toggling between the two is very, very simple. Now, it's not something that everyone is going to need to be able to do, but if you need the ability to go from lights out, IR, to immediate visible laser, visible light, then this is a really great option. So I'm pretty happy with this setup. One change that I probably will make when I have the ability to get a hold of them is when the dual lead hot button comes out, I will probably replace the sync with just another hot button behind it. That way I have two buttons that feel the same, a forward button and a rear button, and I can switch between the two there. But the dual lead hot buttons are really difficult to get right now, so we'll roll with this for a while. So hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you did, make sure you click like, share, and post a comment down below if you have any questions over anything we just covered. Until next time, get out and shoot.